Most booths only face one way. Walk up the side, the back, another aisle, nothing there, but not this one. Introducing the Overjoyed Tower. 4 sides, 4 full graphics, 1 display. Every side is a complete graphic, not a repeat, not a filler panel. Whichever direction attendees are walking, they're looking at your brand. Stand at 7.5 feet for a strong presence, or go a full 10 feet to be seen from across the room. Every panel is SEG, silicone edge graphic, for bold color and a clean, wrinkle-free finish, framed in a sleek aluminum edge all the way around. Setup is simple. Frame together, graphics on, ready in minutes. Built to handle show after show, city after city. It all breaks down in a padded travel bag. Light enough to move, tough enough to last. 4 sides, every angle covered. The Overjoyed Tower is impossible to miss. If you need some help setting up, here's how to do it. Connect the frame section by section. Slide the piece together, press down to secure. Attach the mid pole. Install the SEG graphics. And you're done.